In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can fund your Interactive Brokers account from Canada. So once you're logged in, whether it's from the mobile app or the website, you're going to go to Transfer and Pay, then select Transfer Funds, then select Deposit Funds. You can fund your account by connecting Interactive Brokers directly to your bank by using a wire transfer or online bill payment. Now my preferred method is using the EFT method. So here you're just going to go ahead and select connect. You can enter your banking information or you can use the option to log in at your bank. This is the faster method. Select connect account and here I'll be continuing as a guest. Now from the list you can search for the bank of your choice. So I'll be using the RBC bank and you'll be required to enter your card number or client card number and your password. Depending on which bank you use, the term may be different. So a verification will be sent to your mobile app depending on which bank you're using. Here you're going to select I have accepted and then select connect, accept. Then from here, select the bank account that you would like to link and then select continue. So here I'm going to select finish without saving, review your bank account information and then select continue. Scroll down and enter your signature and your username and password to confirm your identity. Now you'll be required to enter the security code that was sent to your mobile phone. Then select continue. Now once your bank account is linked, you can go ahead and select deposit funds. Enter the amount that you would like to deposit. You can choose to make this a recurring transfer. Choose your frequency, for example monthly. You can choose a start date. And for no end date, you can leave it blank and then you go ahead and select next. Now I do not want to make a deposit at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.